What's up, y'all? It's me, your boy, the burly bartender, Rings. Just wanted to give you a different look. Today I'm here on the rooftop. Normally I'm downstairs. Come check me out. Hit follow, like, subscribe, and come see me. I'm right in downtown Silver Spring off Georgia Avenue. The address is 8229 Georgia Avenue. All right, I'll see y'all. Yeah. Okay, so we're making a Caribbean rum punch today, right? We having a soca fet. We're gonna add lots of rum to the triple sec. Now with the rum punch, you gotta add some orange and pineapple. We're gonna add a little bit of cranberry for color. A little bit of simple syrup and lime. That was lemon, this is lime. We got a little bit of Jamaican sorrel. And then we just got some more random Caribbean. This is a Big Spoon. Check out the Bar Tools video. Big Spoon is iconic. Ideal, not iconic, ideal for me. So now you got a whole crab of some rum punch. We're gonna take it over for the table. Now we're just gonna pour it back in to mix it up. Rum punch, very good. Let's see, I almost forgot the Coruba dark rum for the Caribbean rum punch. We're gonna go ahead and add it right now.